All right, TikTok, let's see how much my vending machines made me today. I know it's gonna be fat because I gotta do some Funyuns. Let's check the coins first. Oh my gosh. And the bills. The bills, that's the coins. Next location. All right, at my second location, open her up. Check the coins first. Not bad. And now the bills. Bills and the coins. All right, let's count everything. For the coins, we have a grand total of $112.42. In the bills, we have 53. A grand total of $165.42. Like and follow me for more.